Hello, it's Phil Thatch, and we are here once again at Disney's Old Key West Resort. We stayed here almost exactly a year ago, and the funny thing is, our room is in the same building, mirror image of the other one. Here, let me show you. Here's a map of the resort, and as you can see, there are many buildings. And it was amazing to me that 2 years in a row, we ended up in building 38. We did not request building 38 on the same floor with mirror image rooms of the year before. So last year I did a room tour in the rain, much like it's raining today, and I looked down from this very spot and showed you over here on the second floor. We stayed in a deluxe studio number 3826. So there's 3826, and now we'll walk across, and right here is 3825, that's a one bedroom. And here is 3824, another one bedroom. And right here is 3823, which is our room. So we're just in a mirror image room of the one from last year. But I wanted to show you a couple of changes. So let's go in. Hello.
Hi.
All right, so here is the room. I love these deluxe studios here at Old Key West because it's not a pull-out couch or a pull-down couch. You get two full-size beds, so everybody is nice and comfortable. And these rooms are really big. Same artwork as the unit from last year. And here's a phone. You got one nightstand to share between the two beds. Here's a table. There are some USB ports in that plug down there. I'm not seeing any USB ports. There's a power outlet there by that bed, and a power outlet by this bed, and a power outlet over there in the corner. But I'm not seeing any USB ports anywhere except over here by the table. Here's another piece of art, exactly the same art that's in our other room tour, and hopefully I will have a link to that in this video. It may have already come up, or maybe the link to it's coming up now. This door here goes to a lock-off where you can go, if you get this room and the one bedroom next door, you can have a two bedroom. Tiny television, you know, I always whine about little TVs in these rooms. We just got out of Riviera Resort and it has a really nice sized TV, so if you're looking for a big TV, that's the place to go. Lots of drawers in this chest. And they have starfish on the knobs. So that's pretty cool. Going in here into the restroom. First we'll look at the kitchenette. Standard stuff, a coffee maker. Oh my goodness, it's a Mr. Coffee. There was a different brand of coffee maker in the Riviera, and it was a struggle to get it to work right, but the Mr. Coffee is much more intuitive. A General Electric microwave, stainless steel sink, a beer fridge. Here in the restroom, nice granite countertop, decent sized mirror. I've got all the lights on, don't have the fan running right now. Here's some pretty artwork above the toilet. Just one shower in these rooms. Some of the other ones have two showers like Riviera and Grand Floridian. Just one shower here, but that's all you need. Got some Disney personal hygiene products, and a new thing post-pandemic is they have a lid on them saying that they've been cleaned. So that's pretty nice. Got a full-length mirror on the back of the bathroom door, and the other side of the bathroom door has some towels and a towel hanger. All right, let's see. We haven't done this closet. Closet's got an ironing board. You got the extra pillow and blanket, and this we noticed at Riviera when we just checked out. You can pop that open, and if it hasn't been popped open, then the cleaning staff knows that that's still clean. So that's a pretty neat idea. This safe has a key, not a push button. $35 if you lose it. There's an iron and an ironing board and lots of hangers. Now the biggest difference, and this is what I wanted to really show you, between 38 3826 and 3823 is the balcony. They're about the same size, not very big, but the only thing you could see out of 3826 was all the air conditioners for the room, and you still can see that here, a bunch more air conditioners, but that's really the only view you had, and maybe some bamboo like that. But from over here on 3823, you can see part of the golf course. There's the Mickey-shaped tees for that hole over there, and also right over here you can see a beautiful water area. Oh, there was just some lightning, and a fountain in the middle of that water. So that's the biggest difference between 3826 from last year and 3823 from this year. All right, so thanks for watching our updated room tour of a Old Key West Deluxe Studio, this time number 3823. Have a great day. Bye-bye.